so happy and amazed about everything that God is doing here at South 7th Street Christian Fellowship Church. I'm so happy and exhausted at the same time because we've been gardening the whole day, and it was amazing to have all of you here with us today.
Hello everyone, Pastor Cesar Herrera here, just with a report of the third activity that we have done so far about gardening here at South 7, specifically back here at the Hilson Alley and the Iron Playground. It is a joy for us that all of you have attended, and the good workshop that we had at the beginning with Dolores talking about nutrition, how we should eat our veggies, how it's supposed to be the diet that we should follow with all these vegetables. Part of it is the harvesting that we were able to have in this day, and the good thing is that everyone who participates in this activity is able to take home some of the work done so far. So what do you have there?
I have beets, leaves, and beets, and whatever that's in here. Random stuff in here. I have to go in the kitchen, put water in both of them, and then I have to no soap, but I have to scrub them around and move them, and then I have to empty it and make sure the water is clean, and if it's not, I have to do it again until the water looks like it's not dirty.
We are very glad that we were able not only to harvest, but at the same time that we were doing weed out, we were taking the bad weeds out of the garden. And this is a life lesson right here. Everything that we plant, we will harvest it. But at the same time, not all of the things that we plant may be able to harvest in the future. So what's the lesson behind this? We need to plant more in order to get more. Be careful with the seeds that we are planting in our life. Be careful with the things that we allow to be planted in the hearts of our lives, in our souls, in our minds, because that's what we're going to be harvesting. Even though there are things that were not planted by us, like the weeds in the garden, that we need to take care, to take close attention, and to be willing to take those weeds out of the soil. In the same way that we were doing these today, the same way we need to take care of our hearts. We need to ask the Holy Spirit to search our hearts in such a way that when those bad weeds come through the soils of our hearts, we are able to do the work, and even better, allow the Holy Spirit to do the work of weeding out all the bad stuff that don't belong there. I am grateful to the Lord for this day. We are grateful for all of you who engage in this activity, and we are really, really glad that you enjoyed as we were able to enjoy this day. Looking forward for the lesson number 4, and I'll see you there.
And now that it's over, we cannot wait for the next time. Hope to see you there. God bless you.
God bless you.